Hey Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. And we'll also touch on what's going on with the Nothing Headphone 1. There's quite a bit to unpack, so let's get right into it. So, according to the latest leaks, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch around July 2025. It looks like the company is keeping things clean and minimal with two color choices, a familiar white and a sleek black option. If you're in Pakistan, you can expect the price to fall somewhere between 151,999 rupees and 189,999 rupees. For those tuning in from Europe, it might be priced around 800 euros, which is approximately 90,500 rupees when converted. Moving on to the display, this phone is rumored to sport a 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. It's not just about size. This display is expected to support a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and could get incredibly bright, up to 3000 nits. That's going to make it super visible even under bright sunlight. When it comes to performance, the Nothing Phone 3 is said to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip should provide excellent speed and efficiency. You'll likely get up to 12 GB of RAM and as much as 512 GB of storage, giving you plenty of room for apps, games, photos, and more. On the camera front, it seems Nothing is sticking with a triple lens setup on the back. The primary camera is rumored to be 50 megapixels, which should handle everyday shots with ease. Around the front, you'll get a 32 megapixel selfie shooter, perfect for video calls, selfies, and stories. As for the battery, it's expected to have a solid 5000 mAh capacity. Charging should be quick too, with support for 50W wired charging and 20W wireless charging. And yes, the phone will run on Android 15 with Nothing's custom OS layered on top, likely bringing some unique and minimal design elements. Now let's quickly talk about the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro, which already launched earlier this year in March 2025. These models offer more budget-friendly options while still packing strong features. The 3A comes in three color variants, white, black, and blue, while the 3A Pro is available in white and gray. Pricing for these models is more accessible. The 3A starts between €329 and €349 for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, while the higher-end 12GB plus 256GB version goes for around €379 to €399. The 3A Pro is a bit more expensive, landing in the range of €459 to €479 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage combo. Both models come with the same 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED display as the upcoming Phone 3. And they also offer that smooth 120Hz refresh rate. They're powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chip, not as powerful as the 8 Gen 3, but still quite capable for day-to-day use. Both also include a 5000 mAh battery with 50W wired charging support, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice too quickly. The camera differences are where it gets a bit more interesting. The standard 3A features a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The 3A Pro steps things up significantly, offering a triple setup too, but with a 50 megapixels main lens, a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto lens for zoom shots, and a 50 megapixels front-facing camera. That's a serious boost for photo enthusiasts. Lastly, let's touch on the Nothing Headphone 1. So far, there haven't been any solid leaks regarding its color options or price. We're still waiting on official information from Nothing, so stay tuned, we'll update you as soon as we know more. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you enjoyed this update on the Nothing Phone 3, the 3A series, and the upcoming Nothing Headphone 1, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest news. Thanks for watching Vision Tech. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.